In this video, I will show you how to work with automated trading robots in the Fix API terminal. To start, go to the Robots menu and choose whether you want to use MQL4 or MQL5 code. The terminal already includes several pre-installed professional robots, such as Bounce Hunter, Breakout Trading, and Leg Arbitrage. We are constantly expanding our robot collection, and you can use these robots directly inside the platform. However, if you want to load your own custom robot, go to Robots, then select Load Custom Robot. Now, I will load a robot file that I placed on my desktop. It is an MQL4 file. I select the file, click Run, and after that, the robot appears in the list of my available robots. Once the robot appears in the Robot menu, I can launch it from there. Now, using this robot as an example, I will show you how to start a robot in the Fix API terminal. First, I select my robot and click Run. After clicking Run, a confirmation window appears. Here, you need to confirm on which chart and time frame you want to launch the robot. Then click OK and configure the external input parameters of the robot. During compilation, it is also possible to replace market orders with limit FOK orders. We will explain this feature in the next video. For now, I will simply show that after clicking Run, the robot starts working directly inside the Fix API terminal. This means that you can take almost any MQL4 or MQL5 code, compile it in the terminal, and run it for automated trading. If your code does not compile, please contact us. We will help you compile it, especially if it is a more complex MQL4 or MQL5 robot. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it useful.